早晨 Good morning 今日試下講英文先 Today's unboxing video is one of my last year Black Friday purchase Goldfield and Bank's Bohemian Lime If you haven't checked out my past first impression video on this fragrance house you can have a look on the right hand corner I wouldn't review anything in this video just to showcase what you would get if you have a purchase on the official website So here's the introduction leaflet I've tested all 8 fragrances in a first impression using Cantonese. I'm not sure are there any reviews from the English Perfume. If someone is interested, let me know. Or if you would like to have any collaboration and English review, you can comment below, find me on Instagram, or contact me by email. Thank you, Megan or Megan. I really like such handwriting things, even though it might be a marketing strategy. This postcard brings everything from the commercial aspect to the basic. As a customer, I can feel the warmth. I feel like this house cares every customer even we would never meet each other. As you can see, I've picked Sunset Hours and Silky Woods as my free samples. You can get 2 free samples if you have purchased a bottle of fragrance, whatever is 50 ml or 100 ml. The fragrance package are gift wrapped in a cotton pouch. So the package is simple and most of the materials can be recycled. And here you go, Bohemian Lime, 50 ml bottle. The juice is light green. It matches the theme of the lime, the finger lime, which is in green, light green color. The cap is not really made in wood. I guess it's actually made in plastic. As you can see, there's a black plastic inside. The sprayer is quite good. It sprays a lot in a huge amount and it sprays very far, which I didn't expect. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe this channel. You can also comment below if you have tried any Goldfield and Bank's fragrances or have you tried Bohemian Lime. Thank you.